In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Loom video using Google Chrome. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open Google Chrome. If you don't have it installed, go ahead and download it from the official website. You'll want to have the latest version for the best performance. Once you have Chrome open, navigate your way to the Loom website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, which is pretty straightforward. Just enter your details and follow the prompts to create an account. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. Now once you're signed in, take a look at the Chrome toolbar at the top right side of your browser. You should see the Loom extension icon there. If you don't see it, it may be that the extension wasn't installed. You can install it by visiting the Chrome Web Store, searching for Loom, and clicking the Add to Chrome button. So let's say the icon is up there. Go ahead and click on the Loom extension icon. A menu will pop up, and from there, you'll want to click on New Video. This is where the magic begins. After you click New Video, you'll be presented with several options for recording. Now this is really cool because you can choose what you want to record. You have the option to record your screen and camera, which is perfect for tutorials where you want to show your face. Or you could choose Screen Only if you simply want to capture what's happening on your screen. If you just want to record yourself speaking, Camera Only is also an option. Once you've decided on your recording option, the next step is to select the microphone you want to use. It's really important to pick a good microphone for clear audio. If you're using an external microphone, be sure it's connected and recognized by Chrome. After that, you'll need to choose what exactly you want to record. If you went with Screen and Camera or Screen Only, you'll need to select the specific screen or browser tab you wish to share. This is usually done by clicking on the screen or tab you want to record in the dialog box that appears. Once everything is set, it's time to start recording. Click on the Start Recording button, and you might be prompted by Chrome to choose what to share. Just make sure you select the screen or tab correctly, and then click Share. Now you're live. Go ahead and record your tutorial or presentation as planned. Remember, be natural. If you make a mistake, that's fine. Just keep going. Authenticity can often make your content more relatable. When you're finished recording, look for the Loom recording control, which is typically located at the bottom of your screen. There, you'll find the Stop Recording option. Click it, and Loom will take a moment to process your recording. After processing, the video page will automatically open, where you can review your recording. Here, you can edit the video, add a title, or even share it directly from Loom. And that's it! You've successfully recorded a Loom video using Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using tools like Loom and others. Thanks for watching!